find the camera on Kodak.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Not much, just doing dish duty.
Bobby got mad at me this morning. You want to tell him why?
No, I can't tell.
She's trying to show me a car part, and I went look at the car part with her. Now she got mad at me. But now she's happy because we're going to go work on Barry Allen.
Yes, we are.
Okay, cool. On pump would be fairly equal, I think. What did this make on pump? Do you remember? Wasn't it like mid 400? Yeah, he's on E right now, so that's why he's giving you the gap. But this thing on E made 580 and that made 515.
Oh.
It's a little ripper though, huh? Drives car?
It is a ripper. It is a ripper. I'm impressed with Rose these days.
It would be.
Yeah.
That thing's pretty loud itself.
It's fucking loud. Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll gap you. Probably. He like tries to rear end everybody. External dump.
No, that's not what I mean.
What?
I want you to turn the camera off.
So today we are getting started on this car that we have not touched ever. Actually, we did. That's a lie. We did start it up once and it runs, but it doesn't run very well. Tell me about your car.
What about it?
Just tell me how much you love it.
I love it so much.
You excited?
I am.
So here, hold this real quick. What we're gonna be doing, see, I still haven't decided if I'm gonna do a full motor build or what's going on. I'm gonna pull the paint. Okay, let's backtrack, Devin. You don't know what you're talking about. Well, you do, but you don't. Why am I talking with myself?
Get going, baby.
This car has probably a lifted head. Hopefully nothing more serious than that. Coolant is severely mixing with the oil. There's probably a lot of coolant in the oil right now. We'll see here in a minute when we drain it. So the whole drivetrain is coming out. You guys have seen me pull an entire drivetrain on Evo 10 multiple times. I find it the easiest way to just go through everything, make sure everything's good to go. We gotta do a new clutch. We're doing literally everything. This is like brand new. Cause this ain't one of those cars where like we're just gonna slap her together and then pull it back apart because I half-assed some shit. So we're like, everything's just gonna be mint. It's already a fully built motor. It's still 2 liter, but it is sleeved. I think Kelford 214 cams. She built. And then have we decided if we're gonna leave this turbo on for now?
For now, yeah.
For now, okay. And then we'll probably.
All the people think I'm gonna put it back to stop.
No, fuck all them. They can suck my fucking nut. So yeah, we're gonna leave this Borg Warner. I think it's an 80. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I remember.
Here, let's talk.
We're gonna leave the turbo on now, and then we're gonna slap her on the dyno. We're probably gonna have Chag. We're definitely gonna have Chag retune this thing, and then we're gonna see how it is. Like if it's just like super laggy, well, it's not very fun to drive. Then we'll change up the setup. We're kind of thinking like we might try a new Zona, huh?
I don't know.
A new Zona rotor, because we both love how Bobby's car drives. Her other STI. She's so big baller now. She just got multiple cars. She might even have more cars than you guys even know about. Why are you looking at me like that? So yeah, that's the plan. Today I want to get the entire drivetrain out and then probably pull apart the motor tomorrow because it's late. I was sleeping all morning. Not really. I don't sleep.
I'm confused on what I'm supposed to drive when this thing's done. Like, am I supposed to make Gary feel bad by driving Barry Allen?
Just pull your skid plate off.
Oh.
You want to see a trick?
Yes. Honey, I've seen that trick a million times.
Skid plate's off. Should we drain the oil and see what's up? Let's do it. It's got this nice, for starters, can we appreciate how clean this thing is? It's so freaking clean, boys. But it's got this pan on it. I'm not sure the brand. Very nice billet pan though. I don't want to take it for one of my cars, but I know Bobby would yell, so I'll just have to take it when she's not looking. Oh!
What? What is that?
That would be oil,
Why does it look like that?
because it's also half coolant.
Half? You're sure it's not like milk?
That is aggressive. The one thing I'm worried about, honey, I don't know how long this thing's ran, so I'm kind of worried that your bearings are a little fucked. Or if there's enough coolant in the combustion chamber, you could have rusty cylinder walls, which would not be good. So we'll tear it down and see.
Okay.
So we made some good progress. As you can see, we're nearing completion of tearing stuff apart up top. Couple things to note. Come here real quick. There's a ton of oil in the intake system, which I don't like, and obviously there was like no coolant in it. Let me show you how much coolant. There's got to be at least double that, I would guess. It's been a while since I did an Evo. Like, it's been like a week. Yeah, because all the coolant was in the oil. So yeah, we're making some good progress. Bobby, how do you feel about my duties here as your main mechanic?
I would hire you. You're officially hired.
Hell yeah.
Yep.
I can't wait to send you the bill.
Oh.
The bill is I'm trying to take like some parts for free.
Nope. No freaking farts.
No farts?
No farts.
Okay, cool. What's next? Tell me. Here, let's see. Tell me what's up.
What we gotta like take off next? I would disassemble all that junk.
Like all the wiring?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
And I'm assuming that you're keeping the turbo attached to the engine when you pull it?
Yeah, all that's coming out.
Yeah, I would just get started over there and work your way around.
All right. Something very, very interesting I just found. You guys know we just popped a motor on the STI over there due to detonation. You figure out if you have knock through a knock sensor on 10 is right on front of the motor here. And look at this. The knock sensor on this car was unplugged. So this thing could have been having some serious detonation issues, and the tuner, I'm not sure who tuned this car, I think it was WTF, they could not have known. So if there's a ton of cylinder pressure, that is why you would lift the head, or whatever else is going on. Clearly there's something else going on because we have so much oil in the intake track and in the intercooler and whatnot. But yeah, knock sensor was completely unplugged. Wild. So everything up top is pretty much ready to go. There's one power steering line. That's kind of easier to do as the motor's coming out. So now we need to go ahead and do some suspension stuff. I'm just gonna unbolt the calipers. Those are gonna stay with the body of the car, and then unbolt the strut from the spindle. Strut is gonna stay with the car as well. And then we have driveline, some exhaust stuff, and we are pretty much ready to pull this entire drivetrain. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the subframe. We'll still have the 2 mounts up top holding everything in. I've done it this way many times. It's plenty strong. So unbolt the subframe while it's up in the air. We'll lower the car down on the ground. We have that one line from earlier that is a power steering line, and then the steering knuckle. 2 motor mounts up top. Wait for Bobby to get back to the shop because I know she wants to be here when I pull this thing out. Well, I'm getting really bored, so I almost took the motor out, and then I decided not to take the motor out. Because I know Bobby wants to be here, but Bobby, you're late. It's 8:48. You're supposed to be here at 8 o'clock. Where you at? Let's lower the car back down so she thinks we didn't put it up in the air at all. Also, I'm doing it a little differently this time. A lot of times I'll just slap it on the ground, like the whole drivetrain on the ground. This time I got it on jack stands. A little bit better. All right. She'll never know. Were you bed? Were you bed?
At dinner.
Oh yeah, with you?
Grandma.
Who's grandma?
Grandma Bev.
How's Grandma Bev?
What the frick?
We've been waiting for 3 hours. Like, can you like take your motor out?
What the frick?
Or like, I think Bobby's cheating on us.
With my grandma?
Okay. You wanna? Where's your Boston apparel at? that ain't no workshop. Apparel. All right. Well, you want to lift the car up? Or what's up? Or do you want to like hang out and watch it?
I'd rather just hang out and watch it.
Okay.
You've already done this.
Is anything catching up on me?
No, it's not because you've already checked that because you've already done this.
No, I haven't.
Not at all today?
No, I've been waiting for you. What's that noise?
It's the exhaust.
What do you mean?
It just flung down.
Oh shit. Motherfucker.
What?
O2 sensor. You're supposed to tell me when shit's connected.
Well, I was too busy thinking you already did this.
Damn it, Do you like your engine?
Yeah, it's really, really nice. It's so clean. So clean. To be quite frank, I've never seen a cleaner Evo 10 motor before.
Except for mine, of course.
No, this one's way better.
No, mine's nice. Great in the camo car that no one ever sees anymore because I never drive it because it's probably blown up.
I know. This is pretty nice. Without your touch is...
It is. I ain't gonna lie. This is actually the nicest car I've ever worked on. Like usually all the cars that I will start building are just hunks of dick.
Gary is a pretty nice car.
Well, it's brand new. It's like saying, oh, your 2022 BRZ is nice.
True.
But no, this thing is like dummy clean. There was only like 3 weird things I've noticed with it. The only like sus thing was the knock sensor. That's it.
Hella sus.
Hell, it's sus.
I'm honestly more into like the shiny turbos. I'm confused on why this is purple.
I don't know. It's
Really like something to really stand out and pop. But other than that, she's really nice. I love her.
How
And
much?
I don't know. What?
How much?
For the car?
That thing's so... Shut up. How much do you love it?
Very much.
So we can, like, do you want to, like, tear it apart? Like right now or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. For surely tomorrow. We gotta go hit the gym.
Ooh. I've seen this comment a few times, all right? Devin, how do you know where bolts go? I've been showing Bobby the secret. It's not really a secret. It's just a little trick. So I already put everything away, but let me show you guys an example. Perfect example right here. I do this with pretty much every part that comes off the car. This is the skid plate. This is a little crossbar that goes with the skid plate. So what you want to do is you take a Ziploc bag, okay? You'll put all your hardware in it for the skid plate or for whatever part that you're taking off. You'll stab a hole into it and you'll zip tie all the parts together. It's a little secret from the evil guy himself. No. Okay.
No, he said, do you want to see secret to me? Probably 15 times today. And I've seen this secret a million times.
I actually don't really do this very often on Evos because like once you, like you know what let's do a test. Pull a random bolt off this car and show me what it is and I'll tell you exactly where it goes. Because once you pull a nut, like you guys know this, once you pull say a Subaru part enough, you'll know like, oh, okay, that's a caliper bolt. Or that's just a lug nut, you know? Like,
Yes.
no, I'm
Trust
playing.
me,
Lug nuts are obvious, but like, so I don't know where there is one bolt. I don't know where it goes. This thing's been in my pocket the whole day. Anyone know where this 6x10 bolt goes? It's about a 15 mil length. I don't know. I think it's something to do with the fuel rail, to be honest. Because there's some evap hard lines that run on the driver's side of the head. There's one 6 mil bolt that goes there. 6 mil threaded bolt. I think it's that.
Okay, baby, listen. Why is there a hole?
I think there's a hole because your turbo's big. There's a giant hole in her firewall heat shield, so they had to grind it out. But they did a very terrible job at it.
So interesting.
I mean, it would probably been more interesting if you were like here as we're building your car together.
Okay.
But actually, it's just me sitting here, just
Whoa.
tearing it apart by myself.
Devin,
I'm salty.
grandma is very important.
Who's grandma?
Grandma Bev.
What's his real name?
No, you don't say that on the camera. You know the comments are gonna go wild.
They can suck a dick. I guess we're gonna wrap it up here. I'm kind of worried about pulling this thing apart. I think it's gonna be worse than we're expecting. There's just so much blow by. Like there's so much oil in everything. So I'm a little bit worried about it. Leave a comment down below and guess what all is wrong with it. Obviously it's got some sort of coolant entering oil issue, probably lifted head. Because I mean, if it's literally just here, hold this camera real quick.
I have really greasy hands.
That's fine. If it's just a lifted head, we'll get that hoe resurfaced tomorrow. Like tomorrow is what, Friday? Thursday? Wednesday? I got a head gasket in stock.
Get out of town. What?
We'll stop. We could literally, if it's just a lifted head, we can have this thing done tomorrow. No cap.
Devin.
No cap at all.
Devin must be capping.
I'm not capping. I literally have this sitting here for fun. Just in case I lift the head.
Wow, that shirt was clean earlier today.
This is brand new.
Okay,
All right.
let me do it. Let me do it.
No, I got it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Goodbye. Remember the Boston drops this Saturday, and if you miss out, then call your mom.